Want to save thousands on your next flight? Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long-haul adventure, these Google Flights hacks will blow your mind. In this video, we're diving deep into updated strategies for 2025 that airlines don't want you to know. So stay till the end for a bonus trick that could save you $10,000 or more. Hack number 1. Always search with flexible dates. Instead of locking into specific dates, click on the calendar view. Google Flights shows you the cheapest days to fly, sometimes saving you over 50%. New in 2025, use the plus 7 days filter for more dynamic pricing. Hack number 2. Next, activate the price tracking tool. Just toggle it on and Google will send email alerts when prices drop. Pro tip: turn on notifications in the Google Flights app to get instant updates faster than email. Hack number 3. Not sure where to go? Use the Explore Anywhere feature. Set your budget, preferred travel dates, and Google shows you all the cheapest places to fly. Great for backpackers, spontaneous trips, or cheap weekend getaways. Hack number 4. Search flights to and from nearby airports. Instead of just Bengaluru, try Kochi or Hyderabad. These alternate airports often have way cheaper deals. Combine this with train or bus rides and you could save big. Hack number 5. Low fares can be misleading. Always check baggage policies. Some budget airlines charge $1,000 for cabin bags. Click on Details next to each flight in Google Flights. Hack number 6. Google Flights lets you book one-way flights with different airlines. So you could fly out with Indigo and return with Air India for less. It's called a Airfare, and it's totally legit. Hack number 6. Ever notice flight prices go up after multiple searches? That's not a myth. Use Incognito mode or clear cookies before searching again. Hack number 7. When booking for a group, Google shows the same fare for all passengers. So if only one seat is available at a lower fare, everyone gets bumped to the higher price. Instead, search solo first, then book in parts. Hack number 7. Click on the Price Graph tool for a visual look at how flight prices change over weeks. Perfect for long-term planners. You can now even set graph alerts, a new 2025 feature. Bonus tip: use Google Travel to plan your whole trip. Flights, hotels, weather, all synced to your Gmail. It even notifies you of price protection offers where you get refunded if the price drops. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves to travel. And comment flight hacks if you want a part 2.